Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So in this short video, I will show you how to set two different wallpapers on your iPad's lock screen. So first, open any browser and download two wallpapers. For example, you can search for Spider-Man vertical wallpaper and download your favorite one. You can use Pinterest or any other wallpaper website. For this trick, you will need two wallpapers, one horizontal and one vertical. I have already downloaded the two wallpapers that I will be using in this video. Now, open the Canva app on your iPad. You can also use a browser and go to canva.com. Tap Create and create a blank canvas with a size of 5000 by 5000 pixels. Next, go to Uploads and upload both of your wallpapers. Add both wallpapers to the canvas and position them like I am showing on the screen. Basically, one wallpaper should be placed on top of the other. Once everything is aligned, download the image and save it to your Photos app. Now, open the downloaded image in the Photos. Tap Share and then select Use as Wallpaper. Now, zoom in and adjust the image so the first wallpaper fits perfectly on your iPad's horizontal lock screen. Then, rotate your iPad and adjust the image again so that the second wallpaper fits the vertical lock screen. So before you apply it, make sure both wallpapers are positioned correctly. And that's it. You now have two different wallpapers on your iPad's lock screen, one for each orientation. So that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more tips and tricks like these. I'll see you in the next one.